Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I am back with Boxycharm. This is the best box of the month. It's the only box of the month for me, but I love getting these. I like getting surprised, not really knowing what's gonna come. So if you don't know what this is, Boxycharm is a subscription service. It's $21 a month and you get 5 full-size products every month delivered to your house. And if you would like to sign up, I don't believe they have a waiting list right now. And you can just go to boxycharm.com and sign up. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you click the notification bell and click that you would like to receive all notifications. And supposedly YouTube will let you know when that happens. So today on my face or my eyes, I have the Shaaanxo BH Cosmetics, the Remix palette. Looks like this on one side and this on the other side. It's a really nice palette. I got like a peachy kind of look out of it today. And then on my lips I have this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm. So that's what's on me. So let's check out the box. The only thing I did was break the seal open. And every month you get a little card with it that like tells you about the products and how much they are. And this month the theme is Caribbean Queen. Okie dokie. So, first thing I'm pulling out here is a set of Luxie brushes. These are really nice brushes. I've gotten some Luxie brushes before. Looks like you're getting the 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush, the 660 Precision Foundation Brush, and the 522 Tapered Highlighting Brush. And those are said to retail for $42. So that's a pretty good deal. Next thing I see here is Battington lashes. So this is what they look like. I'm laughing because my dogs are like howling and barking and making all kinds of noise. So those are really pretty. I don't tend to use lashes, but I got some and I bought some adhesive so that I could like maybe start to try them out, so I'm not sure. Wow, those are Monroe silk lashes, and they have a 3D multi-layered Battington Monroe silk lashes that enhance your look with moderate length, adding volume and length to your lashes. They're 100% silk with impressive durability, allowing up to 25 lash applications with proper use. Wow. And they are $28. So we're off to a pretty good start. Ooh, I see this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I have heard so much hype around this that, oh my God, it smells so good. That's why people hype about it, is the smell. So this is their Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. And this is a $10 little size. And it says it's inspired by Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. It's a creamy and rich in guarana, a potent form of caffeine. This fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add the perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. It says it's the pistachio caramel, leaves your skin delicately fragranced. So I like the smell of it so far. Next here we have a Girlactik Matte Lip Paint, and this is in the color Blossom, and this is $23. Now I've had a Girlactik liquid lip in the past, and I don't think I really like their formula, but this could be different. It's kind of like a berry tone. It's a pretty color, so we shall see. And then I see this Jonteblu eyeliner pencil in charcoal. I'm not even gonna swatch this because I've had some other stuff by this brand and I don't need another eyeliner, so I will put that in my little drawer here with my giveaway stash. And then the last thing, and which was probably the star of the show this month that everybody was like excited to get, is this Alamar Cosmetics. This is a new brand and it is I believe a friend of Kathleen Light's named Gabby. She's a makeup artist. She does Kathleen's makeup for like her photo shoots for her nail polish line. So it says this palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics, or ground yourself to look with warm richness of the creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used wet with a wet brush, the sun symbol for application with the dry brush. Oh, that's kind of cool. So this is $28. And that is what it's looking like. It's really beautiful. The colors are really pretty. I love the blues. Let's swatch some. That's Celia Varadero. Okay. Wow, that is so pretty. I've seen some looks made with this, and they are definitely pretty. So let's see. This is Tropico, and this is Guantanamera, I think. It's a matte and another matte. So they swatched this one right here. Is so beautiful. I'm gonna have to use this and do a look like tomorrow with it. So really pretty palette. So this just came out. I know that it's being sold like on her website, I think. And this is called Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette volume 1. So that would lead me to believe that there will be a volume 2. So that's it for the Boxycharm this month. Brush set is really nice, and this eyeshadow palette looks really nice. The lashes, they say you can use for 25 applications. That's super cool. And then I've always wanted to try the Bum Bum cream. And then I don't know if I'm too excited about this, but we'll see. And then the eyeliner will go into a giveaway. So that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.